You're wasting hours in the pool. The real secret to swimming faster takes just 7 minutes, and it's not even in the water. Your brain is the bottleneck. Let's fix it. Why do some swimmers glide effortlessly while others fight the water? For years, I thought speed came from strength, until I discovered the 7-minute secret hiding not in your muscles, but in your mind. Hey there, champions. Have you ever felt like you've hit a wall in the pool? You're putting in the laps, you're working on your technique, but your speed just won't budge. What if I told you that the biggest breakthrough for your swim speed isn't about training harder, but training smarter? And what if that smarter method took just 7 minutes of your day? Stick with me because today we're diving into a game-changing concept. This isn't about a magic pill or some impossible fitness hack. This is about leveraging neuroscience and sports science to rewire how your body moves through the water. The secret isn't in your muscles alone, it's in your mind-muscle connection. Think about it. When you swim, you're sending thousands of signals from your brain to your arms, your legs, your core. The efficiency and power of those signals determine everything. If the pathway is fuzzy, your movement is fuzzy. You waste energy. You create drag. You fight the water instead of flowing with it. So what's in this powerful 7-minute window? It's a focused, deliberate drill sequence I call neurological activation. You're not building muscle here. You're building a better Wi-Fi connection between your brain and your body. We're talking about movement quality so precise, it makes every single stroke after it more powerful. Here's the blueprint. First, you spend 2 minutes on dry land. No pool needed yet. I want you to stand and practice perfect arm recovery and entry in slow motion. Feel every rotation. Visualize your hand slicing into the water at exactly the right point. This mental rehearsal primes the neural pathways. Next, you get in the pool. For 3 minutes, you do just one thing: catch and hold drills. You're not swimming full strokes. You take one arm stroke, pause when your hand is perfectly positioned for the pull, the catch, and hold it for 3 seconds. Feel the water pressure on your forearm and palm. This builds proprioception, your body's awareness of where it is in space. Do this slowly, alternating arms. This is where you install the software update for your pull. The final 2 minutes are for high-tempo, short sprints. Not all-out, gasp-for-air sprints. We're talking 15-meter bursts with maximum turnover. Your focus here is not power, but pace and rhythm. Take about 20 to 30 seconds of rest between each. This teaches your newly wired system to fire quickly and cleanly under a bit of stress. That's it. 7 minutes. The magic happens because you're isolating and supercharging the 3 key phases: the mental model, the precise sensation of the catch, and the fast-firing sequence. Do this before your main workout or even on a rest day, and you're not training fatigue. You're training efficiency. I've seen swimmers shave seconds off their times in weeks with this consistent, focused practice. It's the difference between trying to shout instructions across a noisy room and having a clear, fiber-optic line of communication. Your homework? Try this protocol for 2 weeks. Be relentlessly focused during those 7 minutes. Then come back here and tell me in the comments if you don't feel a smoother, more connected, and frankly, faster pull the next time you do your full laps. Speed is a skill, and sometimes the best way to build that skill is to stop swimming more and start communicating better with the water. Now get out there and own your 7 minutes. If this clicked for you, give this video a like. It helps more swimmers find this info. Subscribe and hit the bell for more ways to break through your plateaus. Until next time, keep chasing that personal best. See you in the water.